Hello and welcome back to the Sৰীষ্টNG KHauE MºI NGÀY channel. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that each day we can build small habits together that help the body grow stronger over time. There's a familiar situation I believe many of you have experienced. Lately, you're not exactly sick, but your body constantly feels slightly tired. You sleep enough but still feel sluggish. It's harder to focus at work. Your skin looks dull, and sometimes you feel bloated or have mild indigestion even though you didn't overeat. Many people assume the cause is stress, workload, or staying up late, and those factors do play a role. But there's a quieter factor we often overlook. Our daily meals may be missing the kinds of foods that help the body repair itself. What's interesting is that you don't need expensive superfoods or a complicated diet. Simply adding the right everyday vegetables, the ones you can easily find at any local market, can make a difference. Nutritional research shows that certain vegetables contain enough antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to support heart health, immune function, and daily energy when eaten consistently. In today's video, I'll share 10 incredibly common vegetables that are often underrated, and more importantly, how to eat them in a way that allows your body to truly absorb the benefits, not just include them on your plate for appearance's sake. First, 3 vegetables that help reduce daily fatigue. My friend, sometimes your body feels tired not because you're overworking, but because your daily meals lack the nutrients needed for proper recovery. When you eat irregularly, stay up late, or consume too many processed foods, your body continues functioning, but it's like operating on low battery. Easily drained and unable to concentrate. The first 3 vegetables I'm mentioning today are among the simplest ways to improve that. The first is spinach. This leafy green is rich in vitamin K, vitamin A, and antioxidants that help reduce accumulated fatigue after stressful days or late nights. Spinach also contains potassium, which supports stable blood pressure and helps reduce that sluggish feeling during long hours in front of a screen. You don't need elaborate preparation. A quick steam, light sauté, or adding it to soup is enough. A small note: those with a history of kidney stones should consume it in moderation. Next is pumpkin, a familiar food that's often underestimated. Pumpkin contains beta-carotene, which supports eye and skin health, especially helpful if you spend a lot of time on your phone or computer. Its fiber content also helps regulate digestion, reducing bloating when your eating schedule is inconsistent. Pumpkin keeps you feeling full longer without adding many calories, making it ideal for weight management. The simplest preparation is steaming or making a light soup, while avoiding excessive added sugar. The third is carrots. Beyond supporting eye health, carrots also aid digestion and help the body absorb nutrients more effectively. When your gut is functioning well, your daily energy becomes more stable, and your skin often improves as well. A helpful tip: carrots are better absorbed when eaten with a small amount of healthy fat, for example, lightly sautéed or paired with eggs. 1 carrot per day is enough. There's no need to drink excessive amounts of carrot juice. What these 3 vegetables have in common is that they don't create instant results. But when eaten consistently, you'll notice fewer energy crashes and better recovery after busy days. Small adjustments in your meals are sometimes what lead to the most noticeable long-term improvements in your health. Second, common vegetables that are often misunderstood. After adjusting your meals with vegetables that help restore energy, the next group I want to talk about includes foods many young people eat every day without fully understanding their true value. Some of them have even carried an unfair bad reputation for years. First is onions. This ingredient appears in almost every kitchen but is usually treated as just a minor seasoning. In reality, onions contain quercetin, an antioxidant that may help reduce inflammation and support heart health. When you're frequently stressed, sleep deprived, or eating a lot of greasy foods, your body can develop low-grade inflammation, leaving you feeling heavy, fatigued, and unfocused. Compounds in onions help the body rebalance part of that process. One detail many people overlook is that the layer just beneath the dry outer skin contains the highest concentration of antioxidants. So you should only remove the papery outer layer rather than peeling too deeply. The simplest way to use onions is to sauté them with meat or eggs. Or add them to salads. Easy to incorporate without drastically changing your cooking habits. Next are mushrooms, a food that fits perfectly into today's busy lifestyle. Mushrooms are low in calories but provide B vitamins, potassium, and fiber that help maintain steadier energy levels throughout the day. Research suggests that natural compounds in mushrooms may support immune function, especially helpful for those who stay up late or work long hours in air-conditioned environments. An interesting fact is that when mushrooms are exposed to sunlight, they can naturally produce vitamin D, a nutrient many young adults lack because they spend little time outdoors. Simply sautéing them lightly, adding them to soup, noodles, or porridge can significantly boost the nutritional value of your meal. However, they should be fully cooked rather than eaten raw for better absorption. The next one is perhaps the most controversial: potatoes. Many people hear potatoes and immediately think of weight gain. But the real issue isn't the potato itself, it's how it's prepared. Potatoes are naturally rich in potassium, vitamin C and fiber, while also providing complex carbohydrates that offer more sustained energy compared to many fast foods. When boiled, steamed, or baked with minimal oil, potatoes can be a healthy carbohydrate source for students, office workers, or anyone physically active. In contrast, deep-fried potatoes are what significantly increase calorie intake. A boiled potato eaten with a main meal can help you feel full longer and reduce late-night snacking. Those who need to manage blood sugar can still include potatoes, but they should pair them with vegetables and protein rather than eating them alone. What onions, mushrooms, and potatoes share is that they're so familiar they're often underestimated. Yet when prepared properly and included regularly in meals, these three foods help stabilize energy, support cardiovascular health, and strengthen immunity, without requiring a complicated diet. Sometimes health doesn't come from discovering something exotic, but from truly understanding the foods already in your kitchen. And finally, vegetables that help protect your long-term health. If the first two sections focused on helping your body feel less tired and function more steadily each day, the vegetables in this section act more like long-term protection for your health. You may not feel immediate effects, but over time they can make a noticeable difference in cardiovascular health, immunity, and the aging process. First is broccoli. It almost always appears on lists of the healthiest foods in the world. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a plant compound that helps the body combat inflammation and supports natural detoxification processes. When you frequently eat fried foods, stay up late, or live in polluted environments, your body has to process a large number of harmful substances every day. Compounds in broccoli help the liver and immune system work more efficiently during this process. Its high levels of vitamin C and vitamin K also support stronger bones and healthier blood vessels. The best way to prepare broccoli is by steaming or quickly stir-frying it for a short time to preserve nutrients. Avoid overcooking it, as that reduces its nutritional value. Next is garlic, a small ingredient with a surprisingly powerful impact. Garlic contains allicin, a compound widely studied for its potential benefits in supporting heart health and managing cholesterol levels. For many young adults today who eat out frequently, rely on processed foods, or exercise less, adding garlic to meals can help the body rebalance. A helpful tip: after chopping or crushing garlic, Let it sit for a few minutes before cooking to allow allicin to fully develop. There's no need to consume large amounts. 1 to 2 cloves per day is sufficient. Those with sensitive stomachs should use moderate amounts to avoid discomfort. The next vegetable is asparagus. Asparagus is rich in folate, vitamin K and various minerals that support blood formation and immune function. It's especially suitable for people who do a lot of mental work or often experience prolonged low energy. Folate in asparagus is also important for women preparing for pregnancy, as it supports healthy neural development in the fetus. Asparagus cooks quickly. A light sauté or a brief boil for a few minutes is enough, making it ideal for simple after-work meals. Finally, there's kohlrabi, a familiar vegetable that's often overlooked. Kohlrabi is high in vitamin C and fiber, which help regulate blood sugar and support digestion, for those who eat irregularly or at risk of elevated blood sugar. Adding kohlrabi to meals can slow sugar absorption and reduce post-meal fatigue. It can be boiled, stir-fried, or eaten raw in salads. Purple or red varieties typically contain higher levels of antioxidants. Overall, these 4 vegetables aren't expensive or hard to find, but when they regularly appear in your meals, they help your body build a more stable health foundation over time. The key isn't to eat a large amount in one day, but to maintain consistency so your body always has the nutrients it needs for protection and recovery. My friend, when you look back at all 10 vegetables we discussed today, you'll notice a very clear pattern. None of them are exotic or expensive, and they're not foods reserved only for strict dieters or extremely disciplined lifestyles. They're all familiar ingredients in everyday meals. The only difference is that before, we ate them out of habit, now we eat them with a bit more understanding. When your body consistently receives enough fiber, vitamins, and antioxidant compounds from a variety of sources, your cardiovascular system functions more steadily, your immune system grows stronger, and persistent fatigue gradually decreases over time. The most important thing I want you to remember is that you don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Just start with small steps. For example, add 1 extra green vegetable to your meal today. Choose a slightly healthier cooking method tomorrow, and maintain those habits consistently. Long-term health usually comes from simple choices repeated every day. If you found this video helpful, share which of these 10 vegetables you eat most often, or which one you've been overlooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Sৰীষ্টNG KHauE MºI NGÀY channel so we can continue this journey together in future videos, where health doesn't come from drastic changes, but from small, practical habits that fit naturally into your busy daily life.